Hello everybody, welcome to PMN Online. In this video, I will show you how to fix Google Drive file uploading problems. Imagine you're on a tight deadline, trying to upload crucial files to Google Drive, and suddenly, you run into an unexpected error. It's frustrating, right? Whether you're using Google Drive for work, school, or personal projects, being unable to upload files can disrupt your productivity and cause unnecessary stress. Fortunately, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve these uploading issues. Let's dive into these solutions together. First things first, make sure you're logged into Google Drive with your correct credentials. If you're new to Google Drive, start by creating an account. Click on the Sign Up option and follow the on-screen instructions to set everything up. Once you're logged in, we can explore the different reasons you might be having trouble uploading files. One common issue many users face is related to their internet connection. A stable and active internet connection is crucial for uploading files smoothly. To check if your internet is working properly, try opening other websites or applications. If everything else loads fine, your connection should be good. However, if you're using a VPN or a proxy server, consider disabling it temporarily. Sometimes, these can interfere with the file uploading process on Google Drive. Next, let's verify the status of Google Drive itself. Occasionally, the service may experience outages or issues that can prevent file uploads. Visit the Google Workspace Status Dashboard to see if there are any known problems with Google Drive. This page offers real-time status updates on all Google services. If Google Drive is experiencing issues, you'll have to wait until they're resolved. Another potential hurdle could be your storage space on Google Drive. If your account is nearly full, you might not be able to upload new files. Check your current storage usage. If you're on a free plan and reaching your limit, you have a couple of options. You can either upgrade to a premium plan for more storage or clean up your existing files. Delete old or unnecessary files to free up space and ensure smooth file uploads. For those using Google Drive on a mobile device, it's essential to manage your app settings. Access the App Management section on your phone. Locate Google Drive in your app list, then check the storage settings. Clear out unnecessary files or cache data that might be hindering your uploads. This simple maintenance step can often resolve mobile uploading issues. If you've tried all these steps and still face problems, don't hesitate to seek help from Google's support team. The Google Drive Help Center offers a wealth of information and troubleshooting tips. You can type your query in the search bar or use the Contact Us feature to get in touch with a support representative who can provide personalized assistance. Hopefully, this tutorial on PMN Online helped you understand how to fix Google Drive file uploading problems quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like this one, be sure to subscribe.